Creating enough content is the bottleneck for almost every company. You've got product updates rolling out, ads that need constant refreshing, and the challenge of staying visible in the endless noise of marketing. There are tons of one-off AI tools that help with a single step, but none of them solve the bigger problem. That's where Superscale comes in. It's not just another AI app, it's a full end-to-end content engine designed to create high-quality ads as part of a repeatable process. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to use Superscale to turn ideas into polished ads in just minutes. This ad you're seeing right now, I made it in just 6 minutes. No camera crew, no actors, no juggling 5 different AI and editing tools.
AI so intuitive, so smart, that it feels like having the perfect team member who never sleeps.
For anyone working in marketing, whether you're a solo creator or at a big company, the hardest part isn't marketing ideas. It's keeping up with the constant need for content. Superscale is part of this new wave of intelligent tools that actually help solve that bottleneck. Instead of giving you one-off snippets, it lets you build a real content engine. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. By the end, you'll see how this platform removes the bottleneck and makes ad creation scalable, repeatable, and actually fun. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Okay guys, today we're diving into Superscale, a groundbreaking AI platform for creating video ads. With this tool, you can produce professional ad spots featuring virtual characters in just minutes, something that used to take a whole production team days to pull off. So let's go ahead and create our very first ad. We'll start by choosing the ad format. In this case, we'll go with a speaking character ad. This format uses full-body animation and expressive facial movements, making the character feel like a real, authoritative spokesperson. Now folks, let's check out all the options for building a character ad. The first step is selecting the language your character will speak. You can choose from multiple languages. Next, we pick the character itself. Superscale gives us tailored characters based on the language we choose, but there are also powerful filters that let us refine by gender, age, hair color, or even the overall situation. Guys, this means you can craft an ad that fits a variety of goals. Plus, you can describe extra visual effects, like a closing image or a product effect, and the system can generate those for you in just about 20 seconds. For example, after we updated our character and scene, the system instantly adapted the presenter with the new details we described, and the results look great. We also get basic script settings for what the character will actually say. You can either write the script yourself or upload an audio file. You can also pick from a wide range of built-in voices after previewing them. Okay, I'll paste in my script now. There's also an Enhance button that lets the smart tool polish what we've written. I actually like how it trimmed my speech a bit. It feels sharper and to the point. We can also adjust the pacing, add tags directly from the menu, and then generate the audio. The system gives us 2 different takes. Here's the first one, guys.
Listen, I know what you're thinking. Another AI startup promising to revolutionize everything. But here's the thing that sets us apart. While others are still
Not bad at all, though I feel like the little laugh at the end was distracting.
Listen, I know what you're thinking. Another AI startup promising to revolutionize everything. But here's the thing that sets us apart. While others are still talking AI,
the second version felt more dynamic, so I'm going with that one. Once I hit Create Ad, the platform shows me a full breakdown of what's about to be generated, the script, voice, and all the details. The rendering takes about 6 minutes, and then we're ready to check out the results. The ad is generated in 2 versions, one of them being a speaking character with some suggested improvements. Let's take a look at the preview, folks.
Listen, I know what you're thinking. Another AI startup promising to revolutionize everything. But here's the thing that sets us apart. While others are still talking AI, we're living the future. Our neural networks understand context, emotion, and human behavior. This isn't just tech, it's the next evolution of human intelligence.
It feels a lot like using a video editor. You can play it back right away. Honestly, the result looks pretty solid. The preview shows how it would look inside a Reels window, which is super helpful. If something's off in the captions, you can instantly regenerate them so they sync better with the voice. You can also drop in your own media or even background music directly in the text workflow. And the best part, guys, is that you can instantly see how your video would look as an Instagram reel or a TikTok post. There's even a save zone option to make sure nothing important gets cut off. On top of that, you get creative prompts like change the script to something different. If you like one of the suggestions, just click it and the system regenerates your ad.
You know what frustrates me about most AI solutions? They're built by engineers for engineers. But real businesses need AI that just works. That's exactly what we've built. AI so intuitive, so smart, that it feels like having the perfect team member who never sleeps, never makes mistakes, and always knows exactly what you need next.
After a quick round of updates, we have got our final ad ready to share or export, just like that. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks. Now we can move on and try out a few more popular ad formats. Let's pick the talking head style this time. First, I'll choose the language, then select a character. You can pick anyone you like, but I'm going with a female character named Aurora, folks. I can even tweak her personality a bit. And now we have got our customized version ready. Next, I'll drop in a script where the AI character actually interacts with the product in real time. After that, I enhance the script, generate the audio, and listen to both versions.
So responsive, right? That's our tech. Now watch when we adjust these settings. Let me show you exactly how this works. The interface is intuitive. Just one.
Personally, I like the first take better. Once that's done, guys, I upload the supporting files, hit create ad, and the generation process begins. While the video is rendering, it's a great chance to start building another ad. That's the beauty of this AI service. It lets you multitask. For example, I'll try the wall of text format, which is super popular on Instagram and TikTok. The system automatically generates a background and suggests different creative ideas. All I have to do, folks, is type in the text I want, upload an image, and add audio if I'd like. Then I just click to generate the wall of text ad, and I can even create more ads right from the same window. By now, our Aurora speaking character ad is ready too. Let's preview it.
Let me show you exactly how this works. The interface is intuitive. Just one touch activates the system. So responsive, right? That's our tech. Now, watch when we adjust these settings. Impressive, isn't it? Over 10,000 users switched last month.
You can see how easy it is to swap backgrounds or try different looks. The interface is super intuitive, literally just a few clicks, and the system responds right away. For example, guys, I can shorten the wall of text, update the company branding, change the background, or adjust the style with no extra hassle. And that's the result, a solid generation that's ready to download and use right away. And that's not all, guys. Now let's create a new ad using the speaking character ad feature. This time we'll make it in French. The system automatically picks a French-speaking character. We can scroll through all the available ones filtered by language. Let's go with the very first option. Next, I'll add some details, folks. I want the character to be an athletic woman of a certain age, holding the product in her hands. I describe this carefully so the scene is generated just right. Let's update the character and scene. The system generates the avatar holding the can, and the result looks great, guys. Along with that, we also get a script. It's in English. I can even add pauses, sound effects, and other details to make it more natural. Then with the Enhance button, I can instantly translate the script into French while keeping all my tags and timing intact. Now let's hit Generate Audio and see the result, folks.
Salut tout le monde! Je viens de finir mon entraînement intense et je prends ma boisson énergisante Voltage. C'est mon arme secrète pour rester plein d'énergie toute la journée. Le goût est incroyable et le coup de boost est exactement ce dont j'ai besoin. Voltage, boostez votre potentiel.
And I really like the little laugh at the end. It feels super fun and gives the ad a positive vibe. Perfect for the campaign. And here's the second one.
Salut tout le monde! Je viens de finir mon entraînement intense et je prends ma boisson énergisante Voltage. C'est mon arme secrète pour rester plein d'énergie toute la journée. Le goût est incroyable et le coup de boost est exactement ce dont j'ai besoin. Voltage, boostez votre potentiel.
Great. But honestly, folks, I like the first version more. It's just a little shorter and it feels better overall. So I'll go ahead and hit Create Ad. Now we can see all of our preset settings. Right here we see that it'll take about 7 minutes to process. And here we go, the ad is generated with the character holding the product. Let's check out how Superscale added the voice and subtitles to this video.
Salut tout le monde, je viens de finir mon entraînement intense et je prends ma boisson énergisante Voltage. C'est mon arme secrète pour rester plein d'énergie toute la journée. Le goût est incroyable et le coup de boost est exactement ce dont j'ai besoin. Voltage, boostez votre potentiel.
The result looks really good. I'm impressed, guys. If needed, I can use the Regenerate Captions feature to recreate the subtitles. They can automatically adapt to brand colors, and the regeneration happens quickly. Here we can see the captions updated. I can also add background music or a soundtrack. You can choose by genre, upload your own, or pick based on mood, like happy. For this promo, folks, I like this particular melody. Let's give it a listen.
Salut tout le monde, je viens de finir mon entraînement intense et je prends ma boisson énergisante.
I'll just lower the volume a bit so it doesn't overpower the voice. On top of that, you still have access to a full editor for making adjustments to your video. And just like that, you can create professional-looking ads with AI-generated characters holding your product, all inside Superscale.
Salut tout le monde, je viens de finir mon entraînement intense et je prends ma boisson énergisante Voltage. C'est mon arme secrète pour rester plein d'énergie toute la journée. Le goût est incroyable et le coup de boost est exactement ce dont j'ai besoin. Voltage, boostez votre potentiel.
And that's it, guys. Instead of weeks of production and back and forth with creators, Superscale allows you to build professional, launch-ready ads with AI. But more importantly, it gives you full creative control and a repeatable system. From customizing virtual characters to polishing scripts and generating ready-to-share videos, this tool really handles the heavy lifting for you. Of course, folks, generation still takes a couple of minutes, and sometimes you'll want to tweak your script again. But compared to traditional production, that's nothing. If you've ever wanted to make ads for your brand, products, or social media without hiring a full team, this is the perfect tool to try. I definitely recommend giving Superscale a shot. You might be surprised how fast and easy it is. I'd love to hear from you. What kind of ad would you create if you had this tool? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.